Hi there, and welcome to this short video where I'm going to show you how to find the support resources for most websites. So to start off, we'll open the OneLaunch browser and search for a website. So we'll go to the top left and click the OneLaunch icon. This opens the browser, and then let's go to Facebook. Once on the page, since I'm not signed in, occasionally you'll find it in their top bar, but for the most part, if you scroll down into the footer, you should be able to find something that says support or help. So I see here that there's help. So if you click on here, you're brought to Facebook's Help Center. And then from here, you can search into their search bar for, say, login help. And it will provide you with a bunch of articles on that topic. So we can also try another website. So let's go to Amazon. So in here, if you don't see anything up top, the best way to find the support is to scroll to the bottom. And then from here into their footer, you can see that there's a Let Us Help You section. And from here, there's also a help button. I would click on here. And then now you're in their customer service section of their website. And they have a bunch of topics that you can click into. You can also search their library. And that is that. Another way that you can search for help centers is using the OneLaunch Docs search bar. From here, if you want support for, let's say, Gmail, if you do Gmail support, it will bring you to a web search. And then you can find the Google Help Center from the search results. If you click on it, it brings you to Google Help, specifically for Gmail. You can do this with any website. So we can go back to our first one where we went to Facebook. We can go Facebook support. Brings up a new tab. If you scroll down, you can see that it's the Facebook Help Center. One thing I will note, we'll go back to the search. You want to make sure that you look at what website the search is from. So you can see that this is from howlee.com. So that's probably not Facebook support. This is from Shopify. So I scrolled down until I saw that it was coming from facebook.com. And then I clicked on the link. Similar with Gmail support, if we go back to this search result, you can see that this is just answer, Howlee, iGeekCare, and then finally support.google. So this one is the proper URL. So I click on it and it brings me to Gmail. And there you have it. So to recap, you can search in the search bar in the OneLaunch doc for your specific website. So let's do Spotify support. You want to make sure that the link that you're clicking actually goes to the website. So I'm looking for Spotify. Also, when you just happen to go onto a website, let's do Amazon. That you are either looking in their top bar, but most importantly, they should always be in the footer. So if you scroll all the way down and find it in their footer for customer service or help. I hope this was helpful, and if you do need any support for OneLaunch related things, please contact our support team at support@onelaunch.com. Thank you.